I wanted to get solar in order to help with the environmental effects of producing electricity. The sort of catalyst for us finally getting around to getting solar was we got an electric car. The joy of having an electric car made us think how fantastic would it be if we could drive around not only not using petrol but also having charged it up using the sun. My kids are solar kids. They love it. They love the fact that we're not contributing to climate change, and that's a big thing for the future of our kids. So for my kids and the planet, I feel really good about being sustainable and not contributing to carbon emissions through our electricity use. There is some sunshine on the horizon. And the more people that do this kind of thing, the better it is. Everybody can make a difference. I sort of feel like if you can invest in solar energy, if you can invest in an EV, then you should go for it. So we've had solar for about almost a year and a half, and we've had a battery for just over a year. The battery's been amazing. I would say to anybody who's getting solar to definitely get a battery as well. It's almost it's very difficult to use all the power as it's coming in, and it also smooths out the clouds during the day. You get to use every last drop of solar that you are producing. These are our batteries. We've got 2 batteries, and they are cobalt free and 100% recyclable. And the cobalt free thing was really important to us, as you know, there's a lot of bad things going on with the mining of cobalt, child labour and things like that, which is just awful. A lot more environmentally friendly than other options out on the market. We look out and we see all these roofs, and they all are crying out for solar panels. But yeah, we're always telling people that it's definitely something that they should do, you know. And I think if you've got the money in the bank, then you are much better off installing solar, because you're saving so much money straight away. And I think even if you had to borrow the money to get it, it would still be way worth it, because the savings you're getting is you know, would far outweigh the cost of paying that money back. When you sit down and you look at the numbers and you work out what your savings will be, it's really a no-brainer. And in fact, the savings have been more than what we thought they would be. And it's one of the best things we've ever done.